So now we're going to discuss about how to create a cookie and how to send the cookie to the browser. So for this, we have three steps. The step number one, create the cookie. Step number two, set the age of the cookie. I mean, what's going to be the lifespan for a cookie? And step number three, send it to the browser. Let's see it in details. Alright, so right now we're going to discuss about the step number one. So how to create a cookie? To create a cookie, we need the cookie class. So do we have a predefined cookie class present in our servlet API? Yes, of course. We have a cookie class present in our servlet API and this is predefined. To find this class, you need to visit to the package called javax.servlet.http. Alright, so to create we need a constructor. Alright, so does cookie class provide any of the constructor like that? Yes, of course. Yes, there is a constructor present in the cookie class and the constructor name is cookie, and this constructor has two arguments. First one is name, second one is value. Alright, both the name and value are string type. Yes, they are of string type. Alright, so this name will be always unique. So the reason why the name will be always unique, because using the name will identify the cookie. For an example, if you are building a website called abc.com and there is a text box there present in the website and you want to create a cookie for that text box. Alright, so how can we give a name for that? For an example, we can say abc.txt and this will be my name. Well, the second argument in the cookie constructor is value, and value is something for what we are creating the cookie. For example, suppose I'm creating the cookie for a text box, then I need to pass the name of the text box just in the value field. And there we go, our cookie will be created for that text box. Simple, right? Well, so once you run the cookie constructor, you will create the cookie object. And the next step, the step number two, is set the lifespan of the cookie. Well, this is pretty important because if you don't set the lifespan for your cookie, then your cookie will be dead just after you close your browser, because the default time for a cookie will be 0. Alright, to set the age, you need a method which is exist in your cookie class. And using the method, you can set the lifespan for your cookie. And the method is set max age. Well, that's set max age, and inside that you need to set your timing. You need to set your time. So believe or not, you need to pass the time in second per month. Yuck, right? But this is true because whatever the time that you want to set for your cookie, you need to set it in seconds. For example, suppose you want to set the lifespan for your cookie for 1 year, then you just need to do like this. Your cookie reference dot set max age, and inside the set max age you need to put your time. For example, for 1 year you need to put like 60 into 60 into 24 into 365. Yuck, right? But this is correct. You need to pass it a second. I can do anything about it. Alright, so what to do once we set our age? Once you set the age for your cookie, then all you need to do is the step number three. The step number three is adding the cookie to the browser. So now our cookie has been created, right? So all you need to do right now is send that cookie back to the client. As you know, the client will send the request and the server will send the response. So while server is sending the response, we need to add our cookie with response. So right now only one job left for you, that is adding the cookie to the response object. So as you know, the response object is the built-in feature of JSP. So all you need to do is response dot add cookie, and inside the add cookie argument you just need to pass the cookie reference. For example, my cookie reference is ABC. I will pass ABC inside add cookie reference, and this will send this cookie to my browser, and it will set the cookie in my browser as well. So that's it. We're all set.